Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a Gerard Cosmetics PR unboxing, and we're having a big sale I want to tell you about. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. So guys, how are you? I'm doing good. This is going to be a quick video. I wanted to tell you about our sale going on. It's going on right now, starts today, goes on through the 18th, and everything is 51% off in that sale. So this is one of our biggest sales. I hope you guys will take advantage of this sale. It is right down below in the description. But I had already unboxed these so I could go ahead and do swatches so the video won't be too long. So I'm going to tell you what I ordered, and then we got a mystery box we're going to unbox. So I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this Share lip pencil. And this is our lip pencils, and this is what they are giving. And that's Share. And then I re-upped on the West Coast. That is a new one for me. The next one is Summer Lovin'. And then the next one is Honeymoon. This one right here. Ain't that so pretty? They're all so beautiful. Summer shades. And then this next one is Coachella. I love those. So those are the things that I purchased, and we also got some new stuff I want to show you. We got a fish plumper. This is just like maracuja gloss. I'm going to put this on and then we'll show you something else. Oh wow, it did make my lips bigger. So I got a lip plumper. And we also got a lash curler. And it also has a spoolie on the other side. This does have a lid. This is so nice. I really like that. And then I think that was it that I put in my box. And then I ordered a mystery box. So we're going to unbox that. It's the mystery box. Summer Vibes mystery box. Now this is the second. Let's see, it's not the smallest, it's the second one, and then we have one more bigger one. So Summer Vibes. Let's see. We got a pencil sharpener, a dual-ended pencil sharpener. That's nice. Jen's been adding a lot of nice stuff to this website for the last several months. You just pop it off. And then we got a Hair AF, guys. We got Hair AF in a mystery box. That's pretty good. And I love my Hair AF. If you have not tried this stuff, guys, it really does work. I'm on my second bottle, so I'm really glad to have got that. And we got the Eternal eyeliner. That is really good. And we got a Hydromat lipstick in Everything Nice. Let me see if I can find mine. Bubba. Sorry, guys. And then we got the Melrose Place lip pencil. This is Melrose Place. That was nice. That's one of my top 3. Ooh, we got the BB Plus in Grace, and I will swatch that for you. Here is the Grace BB Plus Cream. And guys, this is so good to put on your face without foundation, and it gives you just this healthy glow, and then you can mix it with your foundation and it gives you a beautiful glow within. Look, it's really nice, really good cream. And then we got the Dreamsicle Slay All Day setting spray. Guys, this is just number one. This and mint chocolate chip, I can't pick between the two. I always say mint chocolate chip's my favorite, but I can't pick between the two. Mint chocolate chip and Dreamsicle are to die for as far as the staying power, the smell, everything is so good about these. I can't say enough, but that was my mystery box. I just want to say thank you so much, Jen, for everything that you do. Thank you for my PR. I love you to death. I love Gerard Cosmetics. Guys, make sure that you shop the sale, because this is one of the biggest sales we have all year long. If there's anything that you've seen me use that you love, and you would like to try it, it's everything on the site is 51% off, and I appreciate anybody that shops through my links. Thank you so much for those that have shopped and the ones that will shop. Thank you very much. That helps me here on YouTube. I do not get paid on YouTube, so anybody that shops my links, I really appreciate you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.